my channel. I have this month's Scrawlrbox here. This is an art subscription box from the UK. And I'm going to open this as quickly as possible because I can't wait to see what's inside. I only have one camera going right now, so here we go. First up, we have Frisk acrylic markers, which I think is a new product. They do a lot of paper supplies for Scrawlrbox, and also Derwent sketching. This is a 2B. And a Unipin fine liner, which is a 0.9. We have the booklet here. Paper. Different Scrawler tips and stuff. Here we go. Different things here. There we go. Awesome. And it's last page. This is the print. It is by Brian Smith. Sticker. Fruit chew. My cat is missing in action. And A5 Bristol board, 10 sheets. All right, where is it? So they don't have a little sheet anymore. It's in here somewhere. Okay, so all that's the stuff. And the prompt is claws and paws. So I shall get started with that. On to swatching. There are a lot of colors in this pack. I just test each one just to see what it looks like. They layer on top of each other very well. They're very vibrant. I have no complaints about these. The fine liner worked great. Pencils great. No complaints at all with any of these products. I also put some of these on a palette just to see how they looked in water. I knew that the Bristol board paper was not going to handle the water too well, but I'm curious to see how these act on different paper. The prompt this month was paws and claws, and I decided to do a little kind of Halloween vibe, so I created a Baba Yaba hut, which is it's a hut with chicken feet. It's based on Slavic mythology, and I just loved it. I just had so much fun making this. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you after I'm done. Thank you.
Met your friend the other day. Heard you've been trying to reach me. Good luck with that. I threw my phone into the pool. There's no reason for your feelings. You knew the rules. You better run for your life and sleep with
my finished piece. I'm actually re-recording this part because I finished and then I did a lot of after finishing changes. So I had so much fun with all of these markers. I think I used all the colors. Yes, so these were fun, very fun. But those are great. This was amazing as a fine liner. This was great for sketching. I actually I planned it out. I did a pre-sketch to figure out what I wanted to do. So this is my pre-sketch, and then I did a new piece of paper to make it all nice and cool, and I am very proud of this, and I hope it has cool Halloween vibes because I love October. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Remember, it's over. We've been through this before, over and over. Let's not waste our time. Remember, it's over. It's over. It's over.